How to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically recover deleted messages on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to recover deleted messages on iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open the messages app, and let's say that you just happen to delete some of the messages from here and now you want to recover them. It's actually quite simple. Tap the filters tab that you can find here, and if you scroll down here you'll find recently deleted. Tap on recently deleted and then you'll be able to find the messages that you've deleted. Select the one that you would like to recover, tap the recover option, tap on recover messages, and the messages are going to get successfully recovered. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then delete or recover your messages on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.